Good morning everyone. Class 6, it's your maths class. Unit number 6, exercise 6A. In the previous video we done question number 6. Now in this video I will explain question number 7. According to the definition of ratio, ratio is a way to compare the magnitudes of two quantities of the same kind. Girls, your question is 125 grams and kilograms. We have different quantities, so for solution we convert kilograms convert into grams, same like 5 rupees and 50 paisa. So rupees convert into paisa, so we have both side paisa and both side grams. Now in the third part, 2 hours and 1 day given in the question. So 1 day convert into hours. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. And 1 kilograms is equal to 1000 gram. Clear? So both sides we have same quantities. It's called ratio. Now your question is, change to a common unit and express these ratios in their simplest form. Two different quantities are given. First step, we write same quantities, then we simplify. Clear? So 125 grams is to 2 kilograms. Kg means kilograms, G means grams. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kilograms is given. So 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2000 grams. Now we have both side grams, 125 grams and 2000 grams. So we reduce it by 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 is left, 5 5s are 25 is 2, 5 4s are 20, last 2 0 as it is, copy down. Again reduce it, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, this 0 copy down. Again 5 1s are 5 is 2, 5 1s are 5, after 5 6 7 8, 3 is left, so next number become 30, 5 6 are 30. Clear? 1 is to 16, it can't be reduced, so reduce by 5. Okay, divided by 5, both are correct. So the last step, 1 is to 16 would be the answer of first part. Now the second part, in the second part be 5 rupees and 50 paisa given. Both are different units, different quantities. So rupees convert into paisa. We know 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So 5 rupees is given. So 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500 paisa. It means 5 rupees we convert into paisa. So we have 500 paisa. Now both sides same. Paisa. Clear? Same quantities. So 50 is to 500. Simple, 0 cut with 0. Cut it. Now 5 is to 50 is left. 5 1s are 5. 5 10s are 50. By 5 cancel it. 1 is to 10 would be the answer of second part. Now the third part, 2 hours and 1 day is given as a question. So we know the 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Clear? So already we have 2 hours and the second part we have 24 hours. Hours is to hours. 2 hours is to 24 hours. So reduce by 2. Last digit even number. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is to 12 would be the answer of part C. Next part, D1, 40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, 40 minutes given and 1 hour given. So we know the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So second side we have minutes given, 40 minutes already we have. So 1 hour we convert into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Already we have 40 minutes given. 40 minutes is to 60 minutes. Clear? Both sides same quantities, minutes. So 0 cut with 0. 4 is to 6, copy down. Now reduce by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 is to 3 would be the answer of part D. Now the next part, E1, 3 weeks to 7 days. We know the 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now we have 3 weeks given. So 3 weeks is equal to multiply by 7. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 3 weeks given. So 3 multiply by 7. 3 7s are 21 days. 3 weeks is equal to 21 days. Now we have both sides same quantity. Days. So first we have 7 days already given and 21 days. Reduce by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 is to 3 would be the answer of part E. Now the next part, F1, mm means millimeter, cm means centimeter. It's a short form. Cm centimeter, mm means millimeter. 65 millimeter to 1 centimeter. So first 1 centimeter convert into millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. Already we have 65 millimeter. Mm is to 1 centimeter equal to 100 millimeter. Now we reduce by 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 is left. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 0 copy down. 13 is to 20 would be the answer of part F.